The entrance is officially open to Lakewood Forest Preserve. A little mini series on this channel. We've been following the renovation of Lakewood Forest Preserve in Wauconda, Illinois, and the entrance is open. I think it's been open for a while. I think it's been open all summer. Not exactly sure the exact date. I do see a little construction sign here saying the path is closed, though. But we can get inside this place anyway. The old barn is up here. Of course, the parking is over there, but oh, and there it is. Oh, our Mastodon is still here. Very nice. Yeah, let's go over here. Yeah, that's our ancient Mastodon. The one from one of my very early vlogs, nature walks on this channel. Definitely not in the original spot. And I think this area here is fairly new. This wood looks very new. And I don't remember this little area here. Quick little overview of the area. This is where we currently are. Calling this the nature play. Our last couple visits to the area, we actually started in a parking lot back this way off the Millennium Trail. The Millennium Trail is this bluish trail here. And we attempted to get in this area. Yeah, nice little area here. I think all this is new. Yeah, this looks brand new. I don't even think the water fountains are functioning yet. Yeah, I'm assuming the little spout thing should be over here. And then there's a couple buttons over here. Maybe for filling up water bottles or something. Kind of cool. Got a nice picnic area here. Wow. Yeah, I definitely wasn't expecting any of this. Very nice wooden area here. Maybe a little barbecue area. Or just a little cabinet. Kind of cool. Definitely got a little fresh wood smell to it. And a sink. There's our little fire pit, fireplace. Now I gotta get down. Put it on this way. Not too bad. A little water trough or something here. dig up some rocks here. You know, I want to say hi to our Mastodon friend here. I will link that early vlog in the description below, as well as my previous attempts to come here during the renovation process. Yeah, this looks so different though. The original location of Mastodon, what would have been considered the play area then, and the already at the time closed visitor center, which would later move over to Libertyville and become the Dunn Center. Yeah, I don't think any of that is here anymore. Look at that building. We still have an old barn here, which is cool, but I don't think that's the original location of Mastodon. But this guy is still here, and he is definitely original. There was a little plaque at the time talking about these things originally roaming Lake County back in the day, long before I moved up here. I know it doesn't make any sense. I don't know how to describe it. It just kind of feels like a reunion. This guy meeting up with a very early symbol piece of my channel. Kind of a reminder of my humble beginnings. Not that I'm like a huge YouTuber or anything, but my channel looked a lot different back when I first met this guy. And because I know you guys want to see it, here's the Mastodon butt and tail. Super cool they kept him. I doubt they did it for me, but very glad they kept him around. I think I'm going to head over to this main parking lot next. I know the barn is just used for storage. I don't think there's public access to it. Yeah, it's hard to see, but there's not much going on inside. They might be trying to renovate it. There's those construction signs. Remember those? Big puppy. 2 big puppies. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this whole parking area is new, replacing the previous parking lot, which was somewhere in this area, but I don't remember exactly where. And apparently we're not quite done with the renovations. There's some more stuff coming by spring 2027. New reservable all-season shelter at Taylor Lake, which I think is over here, possibly. With flush toilets, drinking water, and a floating fishing pier. New reservable open-air shelter with evaporator toilet, drinking water, and parking. Accessible sidewalks between shelters and nature play. Estimated opening spring 2027. So, might be some stuff for us to check in the future. But here is the lake. Now, this is going to be kind of familiar. We did watch my last couple of visits here. These trails over here were the ones that were kind of open, kind of not open. We did check the pier out over there, but these trails appear to be fully open now, and we can walk a little farther, see where it goes. Definitely used to be something right in this area too. And again, the Lake County Nature Center. I think I called it the Visitor Center, but the Lake County Nature Center, which is now the Dunn Center in Libertyville, was somewhere back in this area. Don't remember exactly where. The Mastodon was back in this area. You can watch that previous video. But this area has changed so much that it's kind of hard to pinpoint anything. A little bigger overview map. We'd originally parked in this area over here. We walked this loop trail, our first visit here during the renovation, and then we would go under Fairfield Road and then try to traverse this area. This main entrance was closed during the renovation process, at least to the public. I think the employees can still get through. Very nice, wide paved trails. Very typical of Lake County. Got a little picnic area here. Yeah, this is what we attempted to walk to a point, and it was definitely blocked off after that. Outside of the one path that we saw in the beginning that said it was closed, I have not seen any other closed or construction signs. That may be part of whatever is coming in spring 2027. Got a little ways to go before that, but I can definitely do a little follow-up. I'm just happy the Mastodon is here. Very cool. Wasn't sure if they were gonna bring him to Libertyville. He may have been inside the building in Libertyville for years now. I really don't know. I've never been there yet. Yeah, I mentioned in that original video way back when that I was gonna go visit the Dunn Center, and yes, I still have not. Oh, and happy full spring, by the way. Full spring, fall spring, whatever you want to call it, continues here in the Chicagoland area. That is why I'm in the spring jacket. We hit a record high of 65, I believe, over O'Hare yesterday. Unfortunately, though, it is not 65 today. It is still warm, though. This is the path, the Millennium Trail South, that you would take to go back to that parking lot that we used the last couple times. It is definitely warm today for mid-February, but it is not 65. It is a very cloudy day, so it's a little chilly, but actually very nice walking weather. But I kind of knew this was going to happen. I kind of called it. I may have mentioned it in one of my videos during fall 2025 where I'm like, okay, December really sucks. It's cold, it's snowy, horrible. January wasn't much better. I'm like, I think we're gonna have a really warm February, because it's usually how it works. If you have a horrible start to the winter, you're gonna have a really mild February, and that's exactly what happened. The snow has all but melted except for little piles here and there, but for the most part it's gone now. We've had almost no precipitation in the month of February. We are going to get some rain. It's kind of a full spring rainstorms that are coming. May even rain a little bit later today. It's cloudy, but definitely no snow. So you can tell the water is still a little tad icy. Would not recommend walking on it right now. I would consider that thin ice. There has definitely been a lot of opportunity this winter for ice fishing here in the Chicagoland area and southeast Wisconsin. I've seen the folks on Geneva Lake, out in Lake Geneva. I'm sure we will get a cold snap around St. Patrick's Day. You've seen some of my previous videos of Shamrocks the Fox in McHenry. You know about the cold snap that we get out here. But for now, it's pretty pleasant. There's the building, barn, whatever it is over there, where folks are working. But yeah, no nature center. I was never even in the original one. I wonder if they got any marshmallows. Guys are taking up the space on the path here. Okay, so it just keeps on going around the lake here. This is the blue path. Yeah, I have no clue where the original visitor center was. In this area somewhere. I remember the barn. And right next to what was the original nature center was the Mastodon, and there was this little sort of puzzle thing that also gave you a little history of the area. I documented all of it. Glad I did. Didn't know that was going to be a preservation success. I mean, I figured at some point maybe the building would go away since they had the new one in Libertyville, but obviously I did not know about all the renovations that would eventually come here in the following 10 years or so. Honestly, this is like a fairly new building as well. Got some solar panels over there. Yeah, this is gonna put us back out by the barn and our original parking lot. Guess we can just walk back the main road. Not gonna walk the full 1.5 mile trail today. Oh, and there's those big puppies. One more quick look at this area. Guess we have a reason to come back here in spring 2027 to see what else has changed. Are the restrooms open yet? The brand new restrooms, I'm guessing. Nope, it's locked. I'm sure that'll open in the spring. Lakewood Forest Preserve is the biggest nature area, forest preserve, conservation area in Lake County. It's a huge property and consists of a lot more area than just this little area here. Kind of feels like a fall walk with all these fallen leaves. Alright, well, gonna wrap it up for this vlog. Good to see you're still around, Mr. Mastodon. Still in fairly good shape. And again, check out my original vlog from way back when if you want. My vlogging style has definitely changed quite a bit from back then. For the better or for the worse, that is up for you to decide. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Oh, and this is very interesting. Check out this old parking lot. Not used anymore, but I definitely think that is a sign of our old parking lot and where the old nature center used to be. Yeah, right back in here where I thought. Bathroom here is open, by the way. Pretty clean.